How many Muslims here are brave enough to come and defend? You are a young man, child, maybe underage. Look, are you Muslim, sir? Can you help us understand, sir? So you speak Arabic? No, you can't help either. How about you, sir? Can you help us understand? Are you Muslim?
Alhamdulillah, of course.
Alhamdulillah, please come here. Everyone starts really well, Alhamdulillah, and then after the first question, it goes down like this. Please tell me, I am a Christian. In our nation, we follow Christian values. And one of the things we have learned is God is love. And therefore, we love our fellow human beings. We respect and love. Even if you make no sense at all, which is what we have been doing with Muslims at Speaker's Corner for a very long time. They make absolutely no sense, yet we respect them. Please show me one thing in the Quran which says remotely that God is love, sir. You look confused. Where did your Alhamdulillah go now?
My English is not very high.
Just
let me.
Yeah, go on.
Let me. My English is not very high. I not understand what you say. I understand little bit. I can answer you, but I don't want to speak with you because, you know.
No. You understand love?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course.
God is love. Yeah. Loving others is a good thing.
Yes.
We have learned that in our nation. God is love. Yeah. Can you show me in the Quran anything remotely that says God is love? Anything remotely? Anywhere?
All Quran.
Yeah, please. Show me one. If it's
all Quran.
Yeah. Show me one.
Huh?
Show me one place.
He's old of brain. He is a stupid man.
So you can help us. You have the brain. You can help us. God is love. Show me.
We don't waste our brain.
You don't have one to waste, please. Don't.
Go there.
So God is love. You are the guy who attacked me a few months ago. Look, you see?
No.
So what is
When did I
love?
attack you?
Islam.
When did I attack you?
Just one conversation with you.
When did I
So
attack you?
God is love. Anyone who can remotely show anything to the extent of God is love. You, sir. You didn't want to waste your brain.
Nah.
Where is it?
I'll show
Anyway.
you. I'll show you.
You show me?
Yeah.
Okay, please help me then understand.
No.
God is love. Anything remotely similar to that. Can you show in the Quran? I understand through my Bible that God is love. It's an impeccable quality of God. And I'd like to find out if the Islamic Allah is anywhere remotely that particular God.
What's happening in Palestine?
Now you tell me, give me one reference.
What's happening in Palestine? What do you
Please,
think
sir.
about it?
Excuse me, sir. Show me one reference remotely that suggests that God is love. Islamic Allah is love.
What do you think about what's happening in Palestine?
Don't be confused, please. Question has been clear. Islamic Allah is love. Anywhere, please.
What's happening in Palestine? What do you think?
You're very frustrated right now, aren't you? Your frustration shouldn't be against me. It should be against your Islamic Allah.
You show me Christianity is Allah. Islam absolutely is
God
Allah.
is love,
1 minute.
fundamental.
But your whole book is corrupt. So why do you believe
Look,
in it?
are you a little bit confused right now?
No,
Did you hear my question?
No, you are confused.
I am saying Islamic
you
Allah,
believe in something that's corrupt?
the Mickey Mouse Islamic Allah does not have the remotest clue of what are virtues at all. And so
why
I am
would you
challenging
believe
you.
in something
Look, the
that's
gentleman asked, okay, that's Afghanistan. The gentleman, look, he began with an Alhamdulillah. He began with Alhamdulillah. You said I haven't got brain. He didn't want to waste his brain. So clearly you are very superior people who can in an instant give us a clarification. Show me one evidence remotely to suggest that Islamic Allah is anything close to love. Anyone?
Why would you believe in something that's corrupt?
You're confused still. Yeah, if you're together with him, please take care of it. Maybe his medication, you need to. How about you, sir?
Hospital, bro.
Do you believe Islamic Allah is love, sir? Anyone?
You go to mental
Why would you
hospital.
believe in something that's corrupt?
Yeah, you go to mental hospital.
To take you there?
I'll take you.
Go with you, no problem. Should I come and help you?
No. Help yourself.
No, okay.
Allah loved us. That's why He's in the book.
Sorry, what's that?
Allah loved us. That's why He's in the book for us.
Allah loves you, I understand completely. And therefore the delusion and the, you're thinking that you are the greatest people in the world. I clearly can see this. But does our Islamic Allah love me? Is Islamic Allah generally love?
Yes.
Yeah, show me.
Why should I show you? Ask you,
Well, because if it is there, you should be able to
well,
show
hang on,
me.
repeat your question.
Can you show me?
All Quran is Allah.
Yes.
You cannot understand.
Show me. Show me one place where Islamic Allah tells me that as a Christian, he still loves me. Please.
Show
One
me.
place.
Well, tell me, how does God
Show
love
me,
you?
show me one
No,
place.
as a Christian, tell me how does God
Don't
love
be
you?
confused. Show me one
No,
place.
You confused.
What happened to you, Alhamdulillah?
Don't tell me.
What happened to you, Alhamdulillah? You said Alhamdulillah. It all starts really well. And then it goes down the drain like this.
I don't
What's
speak
happening?
With you. I don't speaking with man.
Manners.
Don't have brain. Man. Yeah.
Brain malice. Look, I ask questions. You haven't got answers.
I have
Who has the
absolute
brain?
answer.
Who doesn't have the
I have
brain right now?
absolute answer. You not understand about
Wait a
Islam.
second.
Why
Who? You tell me.
Say
Maybe the gentleman can help.
Not brain. Why
If someone can't answer a simple question, does he have brain, sir?
If there is a stupid question, how will you answer?
Okay, explain. Oh, yeah, lovely. You know, it's very easy to.
All the stupid questions. No one answers the stupid questions, man.
explain to me.
If you say can we see sun? Everyone sees suns. We can't answer. How?
In other words, this is useless. Yeah, you just see the sun and get on with it. This is useless. Yeah, Quran is useless.
You finish, man.
I am finished.
You lost
Finished
this
and
job.
going where?
You finished this job.
Finished and going where?
Going to the hell soon.
Going to hell.
Very soon.
Yeah, you're
Very
happy
soon.
about
Yeah,
this?
very soon.
You're happy about
No,
this?
I'm not.
Yeah?
I'm
No, you're not.
I'm
Okay.
just sad about it.
Yeah, I
I'm
can
so
see
sad.
that in
I
your
can't see,
smirk.
yeah.
How about your
See
friend?
it.
Islam is
So,
all.
dear friends,
La ilaha illallah.
what's that?
Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Are you a parrot, sir? A parrot? Are you a parrot? Islam has made parrots out of human beings. Human beings, when asked a simple question, can't answer the simple question at hand.
You can't blame them. They've been indoctrinated ever since they were born. You know, so they say you're born a Muslim, but you can't be born a Muslim. You're born into a Muslim family. That's the difference. That's why when you ask, they're always ignorant. They never know what you're talking about because they never have to learn it.
This is
They're just told from their parents what they're told, and I'm sure your parents tell you. I'm not a Christian. I'm a Jew. I'm Jewish. You're born Jewish. That's an ethnicity.
Being a Jew is an ethnicity. Being a Muslim is not
Being a Muslim is
ethnicity.
not an ethnicity. It's a religion, mate.
Can you see the confusion?
You were born
Can
here.
you see the
You were born
confusion?
here. You were born here, weren't you? Where were you born?
So,
You
you
were
sir,
born
you
British.
must be able to help. You look like a sensible man. No? What's that?
I don't want to talk with anyone. I'm just a listener.
But while you're listening, please, both of you, please. This is very important. Quran is not fit for purpose.